If you want to rank on Google without paying for links, without begging for guest posts, and without waiting 6 months for authority to kick in, pay very close attention, because what I'm about to show you took me years of failed link campaigns to figure out, and it's the exact system I now run inside a community of 206 operators doing it on brand new domains. You'll be able to find a real question people are typing into Google today, get a brand new page ranking on it in as little as 24 to 48 hours, and do it without spending a single dollar on links, freeing up the months most people waste chasing domain rating instead of chasing traffic. My name's Vlad. I'm an SEO operator just like you. I've been ranking sites since before ChatGPT existed, and I run at Words at Scale, a YouTube channel with over 26,000 subscribers built entirely on this stuff. For years, I did what every ranking guide told me to do. I tried guest posting on other people's sites. I tried buying links from a guy online. I tried cold outreach every single morning, chasing domain rating like it was a credit score. None of it compounded. A month of link earning and the rankings barely moved. Every win felt rented, like I was borrowing authority instead of owning it, but nothing stuck long enough to matter. Here's what nobody selling link building wants to say out loud. Google doesn't rank domains, it ranks pages. A single page can outrank a bigger site if it answers the search better, even on a domain with zero authority. Ahrefs studied over 1 billion pages. 66% of them have 0 backlinks. Links aren't the price of entry. Most pages that fail don't fail for lack of links, they fail because they targeted the wrong search. So I stopped chasing authority and started chasing something else. A real question real people are typing into Google that nobody has answered well yet. I call it the search gap. It's the entire method this community is named after. I'm calling it the search gap method. It's a school community where I teach the full system, the search gap hunting process, the templates, and a room of operators ranking 0 authority domains without links, right alongside you. You'll learn to spot a search gap using nothing but Google's autocomplete and Search Console, which means you never have to pay for a keyword difficulty tool to find your first ranking opportunity. Every page you build gets indexed the same day through the URL inspection tool, so that you're not waiting weeks to find out if the page even has a shot. You'll replace backlinks with topical authority and internal linking, giving you the same ranking signals a $2,000 a month link building retainer is supposed to buy, for the cost of your own time. You'll capture the long tail around a brand name or a local service without ever having to send a single outreach email or pay for a single guest post. Here's the whole system, in order. Move 1, you find the gap. Move 2, you get indexed fast. Move 3, you win on the page. Move 4, you build the signals that replace backlinks. Move 5, you use the small business edge. Move 6, you feed it with content clusters. That's it, 6 moves in order. Move 1, find the gap. Type your topic into Google and read the autocomplete. Scroll to People Also Ask, then check Search Console for queries where you're already showing up on page 2. I did this for the AI humanizer niche. The seed term had an Ahrefs difficulty score of 85, so I skipped it and went 1 layer down to the specific tool names underneath it. Move 2, get indexed fast. A page that isn't crawled can't rank. Submit your sitemap in Search Console, use the URL inspection tool and request indexing on every new page, then link to it from a page Google already crawls often. Your homepage works. That alone can get you indexed the same day, no links required. Move 3, win on the page. Put the exact search phrase in your title and your first heading. Answer the question in the first 2 sentences, then cover every related subtopic on the same page, so you become the most complete answer in the SERP. Move 4. Build the signals that replace backlinks, topical authority so you cover a whole subject, not one stray article. Internal links between related pages passing relevance around your own site. Search intent match, freshness, and visible real experience so Google trusts the source. Move 5. Use the small business edge. You don't need national authority to win local and specific searches. Claim your Google business profile, name your city and service in your titles, and be the most specific answer for your exact niche. This is ConcreteLevelingBuffalo.com, one of my own rank and rent sites. No backlinks, ranked on the city plus service name alone. Move 6. Feed it with content clusters. Pick one topic, write every angle of it, link them all together. Lead every post with the answer. not a long intro. Refresh your best pages every few months and put the content where your audience already is, so it earns traffic on day one, not just from search. Here's what actually kills most new sites, and it's not lack of links, it's building links before checking whether the page even answers the search. It's writing first and researching second, and it's quitting at week 3, right before Google settles the ranking. Here's what it looked like on one real page. A review page with 0 backlinks and 0 outreach, published January 10th, 2026. 41 days later, its first Google impression landed at position 7, not position 80, slowly climbing. Over the next 90 days, it held an average position of 8.9, pulling in 1,112 impressions and 24 clicks, a 2.16% click-through rate, more than double the roughly 1% you'd expect that low on the page. One flagship page ended up capturing 11 different spellings of the same brand name, all without a single backlink. Inside the community, the core training alone, the search gap methodology module, is the same depth as courses that run $497 on their own. Then there's the 0DA ranking mechanics module, the AI content at scale module, and the monetization module covering rank and rent and programmatic SEO, each one priced like a standalone $197 to $297 product elsewhere. Add it up, and you're looking at well over $1,200 of training alone. Now, you'd expect a system like this to cost $997. That's what a lot of standalone SEO courses charge for less. You won't pay $997. You won't even pay $297. Right now, the Search Gap Method School community is $27 a month. Cancel anytime. Bonus number 1. The article and keyword gap templates I use myself. The exact scoring system for picking which gap to build on first. On their own, templates like this sell for $97. Bonus number 2. The AI Search Visibility Playbook. How I got a page with 0 backlinks cited by Perplexity ahead of established brands. That's a $147 value on its own, and it's included. There's no long contract here. It's $27 a month, cancel anytime, no questions asked. I can offer that because the community pays for itself in one ranked page. Most members recover the monthly cost with their first search gap win. I'm not going to put a countdown timer on this video, there isn't one, but here's the real reason to move today. Pages compound the longer they're indexed. The sooner you ship your first search gap page, the sooner it starts working while you're doing something else. So, if you want the full system, the search gap scoring template, the indexing checklist, and 206 operators ranking 0 authority domains without links, here's what to do. Click the link below this video. You'll land on school.com/searchgapmethod where you can join for $27 a month. Once you're in, you'll get the onboarding video in Module 1 immediately, so you can pick your first gap tonight. I'll see you inside. Here's everything you get when you click the button. The core search gap methodology training, a $497 value. The 0DA ranking mechanics, AI content at scale, and monetization modules, another $700 plus combined. The template pack, a $97 value. The AI search visibility playbook, a $147 value. Total value, over $11400. Your price today, $27 a month, cancel anytime, plus the no questions cancel anytime guarantee. So click the button, join the 206 operators already inside, and I'll see you there.